An oil change is the single most important maintenance item you can do for your car, and it is something anyone can do at home with basic tools and about 30 minutes. I am going to walk you through every step so you can do this yourself and save $50 to $100 every single time. Before you start, you will need a few things. Get the correct oil for your car. Check your owner's manual for the viscosity, like 5W30 or 0W20, and how many quarts you need, usually 4 to 6. You will also need a new oil filter for your specific vehicle, a drain pan, a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, gloves, and a funnel. Step 1. Warm up the engine. Run it for 2 to 3 minutes. Warm oil drains faster and more completely. You do not want it fully hot, just warm. Step 2. Raise the vehicle safely if needed. Use ramps or a jack with jack stands to access the underside. Never work under a car supported only by a floor jack. Step 3. Drain the old oil. Slide under the car and find the oil pan. It is the lowest part of the engine. The drain plug is a bolt on the bottom. Place your drain pan underneath and use your socket wrench to loosen the plug counterclockwise. Once it is loose, spin it out by hand and be ready because oil will flow immediately. Let it drain completely, usually 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Replace the oil filter. The oil filter is usually on the side of the engine block. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen it counterclockwise. It will have oil in it, so be careful. Before installing the new filter, rub a little fresh oil on the rubber gasket on top of it. This prevents it from sticking and makes removal easier next time. Thread the new filter on by hand until the gasket touches, then snug it by hand only. Do not over-tighten. Step 5. Reinstall the drain plug. Clean the drain plug and the area around the hole. Reinstall the plug and tighten it snugly. Hand tight plus a quarter turn is enough. Do not over-tighten or you will strip the threads in the oil pan. That is an expensive repair. Step 6. Add new oil. Remove the oil filler cap on top of the engine. It usually has an oil can symbol on it. Use a funnel and pour in your fresh oil. Start with 1 quart less than the full amount, then check the dipstick and add more until you hit the full mark. Step 7. Check for leaks and verify the level. Start the engine and let it run for 30 seconds. Look underneath for any drips at the drain plug or filter. Shut the engine off and wait 2 minutes for the oil to settle. Pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, pull it out again, and check the level. It should be between the min and max marks. Top it off if needed, and you are done. That is a complete oil change. You just saved yourself $50 to $100, and you know exactly what went into your engine. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world car tips. Drop a comment below with any questions. I read every single one. See you in the next one.